Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products that look good on my acne texture skin and last all day. And for today's video, I'm going to test a new eyeshadow palette. And I have the new Lovefest eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. I'm going to create this eye makeup look with this eyeshadow palette. And I also have some updates for the makeup used in my last video. So if you like what you see and wanna find out more, then keep on watching. I already have my makeup base on, but I will put everything that I've used for my eyebrows, my bronzer, my blush and my highlighter in the description box below, so you could find everything there, because everything that I've used them before on my channel and I have previous videos for them. And I want to move on to my concealer and my eyes, because for today's video I have a new eyeshadow palette to test and I am very excited. But before I will move on to the new eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this SEPHORA Best Skin Ever concealer. This is the concealer that I've used for the first time in my last video, so if you want to see a first impression, I highly recommend you to check my last video. But for now, I have some updates since my last video. I've tried this concealer again for a full day of makeup, and I have to say that this concealer is not so long lasting. I really like this concealer when I first apply it because my under eyes look very fresh, everything is even, and at the end of the day my under eyes look very bad, which is something that I've never experienced with another concealer. So it's too bad because I really like how my under eyes look when I first apply this one, but after a few hours this one don't look very good and start to separate and look cakey. So this is the first Best Skin Ever concealer, and I saw that Sephora came out with an improved version for this concealer, so I'm very curious to try that one too and see if it's better than this one. So if you want me to compare the new concealer with this one, please let me know in the comments down below. But I want to use it again today on my under eyes and as my eyeshadow primer. And I have to set the concealer quickly, otherwise will start to crease. So I'm going to use this by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra powder to set the concealer. If you are looking for a good loose setting powder, I highly recommend you this by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra powder because it's very finely milled, sets everything in place very nicely, but also blurs the skin, which is great. So this one is amazing and will also last you a very long time. Moving on to my eyes, for today's video I have a new eyeshadow palette to test, and I have this Lovefest. This is the new eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm very excited to try it. I think it's been a while since I bought a new eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. So this is the new eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. This is how the packaging look, very pretty, with this holographic picture. It's made in China and has 24 months shelf life, and let's see how the colors look. So this is how the eyeshadow palette look. This one also has a very big and nice mirror, which is great, and this is the color story. There are 9 colors, 6 mattes and 3 shimmers. I really like this brown color from here, it's very pretty, and I'm very curious if this one will be good as eyeliner. We'll see that later. But for now I want to swatch all of these colors on the back of my hand to see how they swatch and how they look. And I'm going to start with this one from here. So this is how these colors look swatched on the back of my hand. I feel like these two from here, maybe with this one also, they are a little bit similar. Overall, the colors are very pretty and pigmented, but I feel like these two colors from here look the same. So I'm very curious to see what I could create with this eyeshadow palette. I don't know what I want to do, but I really want to see if I could create something that can be worn for every day, but also for a night out. We will see. So I'm going to start first with this color all over the eyelids. Okay, very pretty and pigmented this color. Next, I want to use this brown shade from here on the outer V and on the lower lashes. I will take a clean brush to blend out the edges. And next I want to use this one, and I'm going to apply it with my fingers. Very pretty color. And next I'm going to use this one closer to my lashes, and I will do a little wing with it. So this color from here is very good as eyeliner. I like the formula. It's not very powdery, but all of the other colors are very messy, and I'm covered in glitter and pigment. It's something new that I experienced with a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. We don't have a highlighter color here, so I'm going to use this one on my inner corners. So I think that's everything from this eyeshadow palette for now. And next I'm going to apply my mascara, and for my mascara I'm going to use this SEPHORA Big by Definition that I really like. Amazing result with this mascara. As you can see, my lashes look incredible. I really like that this one makes my lashes look like I have false lashes, but it's just this mascara. So I'm obsessed with this mascara, and I highly recommend it to you. And to finish with this makeup look, I'm going to apply something on my lips, and I'm going to use this cream lip stain by SEPHORA in the shade Marvelous Mauve. I really like this lip stain because I like the color, I like how long lasting it is, and how my lips look with this one. So this is the finished makeup look. Final impressions on my new eyeshadow palette by HUDA Beauty, this Lovefest eyeshadow palette. I have to say that there is a ton of fallouts with these colors, and I don't think that I've experienced something like this with other eyeshadow palettes by HUDA Beauty, which is something new and not so good. This color story is not so amazing for me. I don't think that I could do something with this eyeshadow palette for every day. I think that this eyeshadow palette is more appropriate for a night out, but for every day I don't really know if I could do something with this one. And for me, some of these colors look the same, these two from here and also these two from here, which is a little bit sad, and I wish that were other colors, maybe a highlighter shade, because we miss something like this to use on the inner corners. So I don't think that this eyeshadow palette is complete to take it with me to a trip or something like this, because I don't really have everything that I need in here. I have to say that I really like this color from here. It's creamy, pigmented, and very good to use as eyeliner, which is something that I really like to use. I like to take a darker color from an eyeshadow palette and use that color as eyeliner. And the shimmer shades are pretty, but I don't think that I could use them for everyday makeup. I will definitely play with this eyeshadow palette more, and I will also use it in my next video and create something else, maybe something for every day, and I will also update you about the wear in my next video. But for now I have to say that this eyeshadow palette is good. The colors are pigmented. My only problem at the moment is that I wish were other colors, because as I mentioned, some of them look the same, but I like how my makeup turned out. It's something fun for a night out. But I would love to know if you like the finished makeup look, and if you have this eyeshadow palette, and if you like it. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!